Hey, awesome friends! Today, we are going to explore something super cool on our Schogini Toys DIY kit. It's called Menu L111 Edit Your Message, and it lets you make your very own message. First, make sure you're at Menu L111. If you don't know how to get there, go watch our How to Navigate the Menu video first. Ready? Press the joystick like a button, and boom! We're in the message editor. Wait for the scrolling help message to finish. If you can't wait to start, just move the joystick to the left and skip it. See that blinking letter? Move the joystick up or down to change it. You can even go left or right to edit other letters of the message. To speed up the video to save time. Done editing? Press the joystick to save your awesome message. Voila! Your message is saved forever. You can even see it scroll in Menu L112. Wow! You have created your own portable scrolling message display. That's it for today, friends. Congratulations! Remember, with our Schogini Toys DIY Kit, you can learn to create activities just like this one. For more exciting project ideas and updates, be sure to visit our Schogini Toys website and subscribe to our Instagram and YouTube channels.